Gina and Qisha meet for the first time. Sheesh. Alright, the pizza smell's kind of going away. And I can't wait until I'm done with this car, bro. It's gonna be so sick. Alright, bam. About to slap the fenders on. Sheesh. Let's do it. Numero uno. Alright, fenders are on. They look sick. Super clean, everything OEM fitment. I need to put some wrap right here. The light's showing. I actually really dig it because it flows with the rear of my bumper. Like right here, this cut, it flows like perfect. Oh yeah. I love how you can see the tire from this angle. Sheesh, that turbo though, sounded mighty fine.
The next day.
Hulk smash. Yeah, these fenders are pretty sick. Like the more I look at the fender, that's just pretty sick. Just because I have a meaty ass tire, so that shit looks like damn booger. All right, I'm gonna give you guys a small sneak peek of what's next on the Z. Is that carbon fiber, dog? I ain't gonna let you know what it is though. I mean, do these cold starts like ever get old? This car shouldn't be running. Like, I abuse the living shit out of this car. Every time I drive it, I hit red line. Like, it shouldn't be running, trust me. Shout out to my tuner Saul, and shout out to my engine builder George. Phenomenal. Man, them Eagle rods haven't went flying yet. I'm amazed. Whenever this thing decides to give up, I mean, why mess with it, you know what I'm saying? I'm probably gonna try to turn the boost up maybe like 5 more pounds, but I mean, I'm just gonna wait till this thing gives up, and then, you know, we'll build another block. Obviously, one's gonna be stronger, so we're definitely gonna get some more boost out of the next block for sure. But this one's still going, man. I mean, I can't complain, bro. Like 800 horsepower, shit's fast enough. There's always room to be faster, so why not? I don't have a drill, so I need to go put these in the fenders for my little quick release thing. I'm gonna hit this shop and do that. Probably gonna test drive George's 372. See how it feels on that gas he just put in. It did seem like it made the car spool a lot faster. I'm not gonna lie, because that turbo is big as hell and that shit spooled pretty quick.
Okay, before you do anything,
so we are here in the M1 tune. Oil pressure Gucci, boost Gucci, air fill Gucci, the time Gucci. And that shit ain't Gucci, that shit off. I'm gonna give this a quick test drive, see how it feels on that gas. So this is on straight M1 feel, straight methanol, boys. So this fuel system is pretty much cracked out. Meth head. You guys are seeing what this turbo setup looks like. Pretty crazy. Pretty much much similar build to mine, but this has VHR heads, so it has the VBL and all that shit. It's all different. The head is totally different from HR. More complicated, more bullshit. But as far as the bottom end, almost the same. This one's still 3.7, I believe. Mine's bored out to 3.8. So really similar. This one has stronger rods. This one's running Carrillo rods, so definitely stronger than Eagle. But my Eagles haven't went flying yet, so they're obviously getting some work done. That's one thing I don't miss hearing is the goddamn fuel pumps, bruh. Fuck, when I have my fuel pumps in the car, it sounds exactly like this, and that shit is so annoying. You go driving for 30 minutes, an hour, bruh, that shit is annoying. So I'm glad I put those in a hidden spot. Ooh, there's a cop right there too. Sheesh. Time to go this way. Sounds like an 18-wheeler. Big turbo, boys. That goddamn bumper exit. I'm gonna do a little hit, warm up the tires. Pretty much street car and real normal. This shit is just like race cars, but obnoxiously loud, just crazy. Turn the traction off. I don't have no traction in mine. My shit's full sin. Damn, Dag, is that fresh cakes? That shit actually spools really fast.
Meanwhile.
Oh, damn light, bruh.
Years later.
Bro, this car is like all over the place. The marks that I just left right now. Yeah, this just spins like crazy. Let's see if you can see the marks. Yeah, I see them. Look at the ground right here. That was third gear. Fucking crazy. Yeah, I think that gas might be a no-go. It's making that boost kick in way too hard. It's like nothing and then it just Boom! That's why it spins so damn bad. What are you doing? Come on, dog. You're not low life. Fine tuning and like just finding that sweet spot on your car. Every car is different. It's just crazy. This shit makes power though. Fucking beast. So yeah, so with that M1 feel, it basically reaches peak power like 2 times faster. So that's why that shit is just so damn brutal. That's just crazy. So we got Bay over here. This shit hook and book though. Hook and book. Know what I'm saying? So I'm about to put this other part of the quick release on. Extra security, you know what I'm saying? There we think. Right there should be cool. Damn. Oh, what to the damn tire? Alright, and bam! They're on. They're on. I just use zip ties because they're a little more secure than those rubber band shits that come with them. So this shit sucks. My little bracket that holds the fender in place, that shit broke, so it should be moving all hella, but whatever. That's a race car, it can't be perfect, right? Shit, borrow that fender though. Jeez. George's car has more spool noise, obviously, because it's a bumper exit and it's a huge ass turbo, but my shit got that Tome, dog. That shit sounds, man, I love it. That shit sounding right, you feel me? And it just sounds amazing. Like, I almost don't want to change my setup just because I really like how it is. Man, I'll probably just keep the same setup, bro, like forever. I don't know. Honestly, I was gonna full send my car and just like do a crazy like front mount turbo like his and shit, but honestly, I really like how my car is. I'm not even gonna lie. It's like hella stockish when you pop the hood. You can't see anything. It's fast. I mean, all my car really needs is like another 50 or 100 to the wheels. Like, my car will be solid. Solid. It's already solid, but it'll be solid. That'll pretty much guarantee a gap to most of the people that I've lost to. So, I don't know, man. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my car. I really like how it is. I don't want to change it. Just everything just is perfect, man. The sound, all that shit. I don't want to change none of that. Well, turbo still sounds good. That's a good indication. Yep. Drop a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel. We out.